So we're here on the last stage of doing the Rísalamang after an overnight stay in the refrigerator. This is how it looks. Kunin lang yung vanilla seeds stick from the pudding, and then we whip the cream until it's this consistency kasi didikit siya, hindi siya maging parang watery at saka ang labas niya foamy yung pagkain niyo. So we put this in. Yeah. Maybe half at a time. By the way, to remind you, we use 2 Tetra packs of 250 ml each of cream. So, haluin lang gently. Oh, by the way, about the almonds, if may magre-request sa iyo na lagyan ng almond, i-crush mo lang yung 250 grams?
50 grams.
Or 50 grams of almonds. Didiktikin nyo roughly, and then you put it after cooking, not while cooking kasi magiging chewy yung almonds. They want it, I think, crunchy when they eat it, huh? Some people do. When do we put the sugar?
When you're done.
Huh?
When the cream is all in, huh?
Okay.
2 spoonfuls.
Haluin lang hanggang sa maging blended ang lahat, or equally blended, hindi yung puros camion or puro cream lang ang makakain nila. So I think it's about ready. And this time, we put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. But if you want, you can use also this vanilla sugar to make it more, you know, flavorful. About this. Titikman nyo lang kung ano, hindi kasi advisable na masyadong matamis kasi you have to put this on, or whatever caramel or sauce they want to put on. There's also other sauces to use, but usually we use this sauce on top of the pudding. So we'll taste it. If it's good enough for you, then you can ask someone how it tastes. But if you want to make more flavor, just add some vanilla sugar in. So that's how simple it looks, but kailangan ng pasensya, especially when boiling the milk. So that's the traditional Faroese dessert. That's the first thing I love about the Faroese cooking, actually. They just use this on Christmas, but I ask for it on special occasions also, or even when I just want to eat. Right, God?
Yum.
So that's it. And if you don't want to eat it right away, you can put it back on the refrigerator. Do I miss something?
No, that's it.
So, Fjallgagnes,